How to reply to a missed call without unlocking the lock screen on the iPhone 16 series. Now, before you can use this feature, first you must turn on this feature. So you can see here I have a missed call. I can long press on it and then tap on call back, and that will immediately allow me to call back without unlocking the iPhone. So let's check to make sure you have turned on this feature. First, let's go back to the home screen, then tap on settings, and then in settings we scroll down and then tap on Face ID and passcode. Next, enter your passcode. Now we scroll down and then make sure you turn on return missed calls. Make sure it is switch on. Once it is switched on, you may notice that the change does not affect immediately, in which case you may need to restart the iPhone. So you can press on the side button and the volume down button, and here just turn off the iPhone and then switch it back on. So for some reason, when you make the changes to that feature, you need to restart your iPhone. Otherwise, it will not work straight away. So here I'm just going to press and hold the side button to switch back the iPhone. Okay, once your phone back online, we're going to have a missed call. Okay, I just give myself a call. Alright, so now I have a missed call. All you have to do is just long press on the notification and then tap on call back. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.